Augmented reality (AR) has emerged as one of the most exciting and transformative technologies of recent years. With the ability to overlay digital information onto the real world, AR has the potential to revolutionize numerous industries and enhance our daily lives in countless ways. In today's video, we will be showing you exploring the future of augmented reality, applications, and potential. Without further ado, let's begin. Entertainment and gaming. One of the most well-known applications of AR is in entertainment and gaming. Our technology allows users to immerse themselves in virtual worlds and interact with virtual characters and objects in their real environment. Games like Pokémon Go introduce the world to the concept of augmented reality gaming, where players can catch virtual creatures in real-world locations using their smartphones. The future of AR gaming holds even more exciting possibilities. Imagine playing a multiplayer AR game where you and your friends battle virtual monsters together in your neighborhood, or exploring a virtual treasure hunt that seamlessly integrates with the physical world around you. AR has the potential to transform gaming into a truly immersive and interactive experience. Education and training. AR has the potential to revolutionize education and training by providing interactive and engaging experiences. Imagine students being able to visualize complex scientific concepts through interactive 3D models, or medical students practicing surgeries on virtual patients before operating on real ones. AR can bring textbooks to life, allowing students to explore historical events or visit distant locations virtually. In the professional realm, AR can enhance training programs across various industries. From hands-on simulations in manufacturing and engineering to virtual training for firefighters and pilots, AR can provide realistic scenarios and guidance that help individuals acquire and refine their skills in a safe and controlled environment. Healthcare and medicine. AR has the potential to revolutionize healthcare and medicine in numerous ways. Surgeons can use AR overlays during procedures, providing real-time guidance and visualizations of vital information, such as patient data, anatomical structures, and surgical pathways. This can enhance precision and reduce the risk of errors. AR can also improve patient care by enabling healthcare professionals to visualize and interact with patient data in real time. For example, doctors can use AR to overlay medical imaging results onto a patient's body during examinations, allowing for more accurate diagnosis and treatment planning. Additionally, AR can assist in rehabilitation and therapy. By creating interactive and immersive experiences, AR can motivate patients during physical therapy sessions or help individuals overcome phobias and anxieties through virtual exposure therapy. Architecture and design. AR has transformative potential in the field of architecture and design. Architects can use AR to visualize and present their designs in real-world contexts, allowing clients to experience buildings and spaces before they are constructed. This can help identify design flaws, improve spatial planning, and enhance communication between architects, clients, and stakeholders. Similarly, interior designers can use AR to overlay furniture and decor options onto real spaces, enabling clients to visualize different design possibilities and make informed decisions. This can streamline the design process and enhance customer satisfaction. AR can also facilitate virtual walkthroughs of real estate properties, allowing potential buyers to explore and experience properties remotely. This can revolutionize the real estate industry by providing immersive and interactive virtual tours. Retail and e-commerce. Augmented reality has the potential to revolutionize the retail and e-commerce industries. With AR, customers can try on virtual clothing and accessories, visualize how furniture would look in their homes, or even test out different paint colors on their walls. This immersive and interactive shopping experience can increase customer engagement, reduce product returns, and enhance overall customer satisfaction. AR can also provide personalized recommendations and targeted advertisements based on users' preferences and browsing history. By overlaying relevant information and product details onto real-world objects, AR can assist customers in making informed purchasing decisions and create a seamless integration between digital and physical retail experiences. Industrial and manufacturing. AR holds significant promise in the industrial and manufacturing sectors. It can assist workers in assembly processes by overlaying step-by-step instructions, highlighting key components, and providing real-time feedback. This can improve efficiency, reduce errors, and enhance worker training and productivity. Maintenance and repair tasks can also benefit from AR technology. By superimposing digital information onto machinery and equipment, technicians can access real-time data, troubleshooting guides, and repair instructions, minimizing downtime and streamlining maintenance processes. Additionally, AR can enhance collaboration and communication in industrial settings. Remote experts can provide guidance to on-site workers through AR interfaces, allowing for real-time visual assistance and knowledge sharing. Travel and tourism. Augmented reality has the potential to transform the travel and tourism industry by providing immersive and interactive experiences for travelers. Tourists can use AR-enabled devices to access real-time information and visualizations of historical sites, landmarks, and cultural attractions. AR can offer virtual tour guides that provide audio-visual information as users explore destinations, creating an engaging and informative experience. Users can learn about the history, architecture, and significance of different locations, enhancing their understanding and appreciation of the places they visit. Furthermore, AR can assist travelers with navigation, language translation, and local recommendations, making their journeys more seamless and enriching. By overlaying relevant information in the real world, AR can enhance the overall travel experience and enable travelers to explore and discover new destinations with greater ease. Transportation and navigation. AR has the potential to revolutionize transportation and navigation systems. By overlaying digital information onto the real world, AR can provide real-time navigation guidance, highlighting routes, points of interest, and traffic conditions directly in the user's field of view. AR can also enhance the experience of public transportation users. Commuters can access real-time information on bus or train schedules, platform changes, and service disruptions, making their journeys more efficient and convenient. In autonomous vehicles, AR interfaces can provide passengers with informative and entertaining experiences during their trips. Virtual displays and information overlays can enhance safety and provide passengers with contextual information about their surroundings. The future of augmented reality is filled with immense potential and exciting possibilities. From entertainment and gaming to education, healthcare, and design, AR has the power to revolutionize various industries and enhance our daily lives in profound ways. As technology continues to advance and AR applications become more sophisticated, we can expect to see a wide range of innovative use cases that leverage the power of augmented reality to create immersive, interactive, and transformative experiences. The journey of AR has only just begun, and the future holds endless opportunities for exploration, innovation, and impact. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.